Hello, and welcome to the second step of being a gig owner. Today, we're going to walk through how you can find people that have applied and their gig resumes, as well as accepting who you want to do the job. And then, lastly, getting the work back from that person and completing the position. So, first, you'll log into your account through www.smartmomgig.com. And then once you're in, it'll put you in the dashboard, which is the first tab in the upper left-hand corner. You'll want to navigate over to My Gigs. I think that's the easiest. You can either see them under My Dashboard, but My Gigs will list out all of your gigs and the application stage that they're in. And then you're going to want to scroll down to the gigs that have applications submitted in them and click on your gig number, which is the purple gig ID number, in order to open up the gig. Okay, that's going to open up your gig. And again, you'll be able to see all of the information that's in your gig and the status that it's at. So you'll be able to recognize at any time where it's at within the process. And again, at any time, if you need to edit the gig or add more information, you'll be able to do so through that green Edit Gig button. But this time we're going to look below the line and see the applications. So you should have hopefully quite a few applications in here to choose from. And you're not going to know the person's name. You'll be able to see the Guru ID. And then if they've been approved, which they're going through the process of getting approved. And then there'll be details, any details that you'll need to know, like for looking at their resume and stuff. So you'll be able to open up the Guru ID and see the information about that particular person that submitted the resume. In this case, you'll be able to see the application details of their skills and abilities and the verbiage that they've responded to the job type on what skills they have and why they would like to apply for that. We go ahead and list all of the resumes for that particular guru, so you're able to see the breadth and depth of that particular person, and gurus are allowed to have up to 10 different resumes, just to let you know. So you'll go ahead and pick the person that you like based off of this application status. And remember that gurus can only write about 200 words. This is a gig resume. It's not a full resume. This is a short job. So you'll want to pick the best person based off of that small information. But again, it's very specific information on the very specific task that you would like completed. So once you have selected the person that you want, you simply click the green button, the green checkbox, that's the guru that you're going to choose, and it will automatically send an email to your gig guru letting them know that you're requesting them to be hired. So here's a better screenshot of that. Once you select the green button of the particular guru that you want, it's going to ask you if this is the person that you want to choose to invite to do the work. And then once you do that, it is going to change that application section, and you'll be able to see, continue to see the other applicants, but the person that you've selected, the application status will change to submitted. Okay, so the next step is not for you, it's for the guru. They have now received an email letting them know that you have selected them to do the job. They will need to go in on their side and accept the position. Once they accept the position, you will get an email letting you know that you have officially completed that hire. If they do not accept it, you will also get an email letting you know and the reason why, and that will allow you to then pick a different guru. So once they accept the position, you'll need to come in back into My Gigs and back into the gig itself. So you're back on that same screen, and you'll notice now that there's a line of black buttons that will allow you to continue the process. The first one is upload file. So we want to make sure that now you're sharing your data and your sensitive information only with this particular guru. And once you click on that first upload file, it will allow you to come in and post as many documents as you need for this guru to complete their work. Now, since you've uploaded the documents, the guru has everything that they need in order to do their job. If at any time you need to message them, you will come back to this area of the black buttons. The very last one says send a message. So you can send a message to the guru letting them know, hey, I've just uploaded however many forms, and this is, I need you to take it from A to B, whatever the specific items are. So at any time, if you need to send messages back and forth, this is where that will live. It will be we have a specific messaging system to your specific guru back and forth, and it lives within the job itself. That way you're certain that you're always messaging the correct person, and you will absolutely know that they got the information that they needed to complete the job. Now, if your work required that the guru was supposed to take information and manipulate it and give you any documentation back, then you will see that documentation is posted once the work is complete back into the same gig. On the very bottom right hand corner, you will see the work files that have been uploaded by the guru. Once you click on that, you'll be able to get that information, download it, save it, whatever it is you need to do with it, and that should complete the process. If it does not complete the process, then we will go into how you ask for a request change. If in fact you do need to make a change request, it's important to know that you only get to do this once. And the reason that we limit that is because you do have the message center where you can send it back and forth if you're looking for tweaks here or there. But you only get one chance to make the official change request. And if you click on the second button of change request, it will allow you to fill in the form and officially let them know what it is you need changed. Please remember that this is a task. It's a specific gig. It is not a project. So if you're looking for additional work on that, you'll need to open up an additional gig. So once you apply or put in your request for a change, the gig guru will complete it, and you will see either they will message you or you will see under the work files that there'll be additional new files. But it is important to note that once that is complete and submitted by the gig guru, that the job is done. It will automatically move over to complete. And remember that you have the ability to rank the guru, and they also have the ability to rank you. So that's what's going to help to keep everybody on the up and up. So now the guru's supplied you with your work. You're happy with what's happened. The gig is now over. All you'll need to do is click on the third button, which is mark it as complete. That means you're accepting the work as is, and payment will be released to the gig guru. Thank you so much for using our service here at smartmomgig.com. We appreciate you. We appreciate your business, and we would love to hear from you. You can either open a support ticket within your profile, or you can email us at feedback@smartmomgig.com. We would love to hear from you. Good, bad, indifferent. Tell us what worked well. Tell us what we can work on, and we will make sure to get back with you. We appreciate you. Have a great day.